Guys, just want to record a real quick video to show you how you're supposed to use Spintax in your cold email campaigns. And if you don't know what Spintax is, what it stands for is basically a short for spinning syntax, and it allows you to create multiple variations of a message by using a different interchangeable words or phrases. And the main purpose of the Spintax is to help you avoid the spam filters. Because, for example, if you're sending a few hundred emails per day and the only different variable in the copy is only their first name, your email service providers will be able to pick up on that, and they'll be able to tell that you're sending cold emails. That will either land you in spam, get you flagged, or basically ruin your email deliverability, right? So because of the Spintax, it helps you generate unique variations of the message. You're less likely to trigger spam filters and improve your email deliverability, meaning that you'll be more likely to go to inbox instead of the spam folder, right? And the way it works is just a few examples of the Spintax. For example, you see you have like 3 different variations right here. Hi, hello, hey, John, Mr. Smith, I hope you're doing well, having a great day, doing fine. And you'll get different outputs. So for example, you'll have one variation where it says this, you'll have another one where it says this, and you'll have a third one where it says this, right? So to show you how you're supposed to actually create a Spintax inside your email sending software, in this case, I'm using SmartLead. So the way it's going to work, for example, we are going to come to an editor. Let me just make myself smaller. And what we are supposed to do right here, the way you write Spintax is using the curly brackets like this one and this one, where you close it. And you use like this symbol right here. This is not an I, it's a straight line that allows you to split between different words that you want to be Spintaxed. So for example, as you can see here, we have hi, hey, hi, hello, the first name. I can help you generate the book like 20, that's written numbers, 20, that's written direct in words. Sales calls, appointments, meetings with your ideal prospects within 90 days, 3 months, interested in hearing or learning more. Best regards, right? And we can also do Spintax in the subject line. So for example, thoughts or what do you think? First name. Well, first name, obviously, this is not a Spintax. This is more of a variable that you're going to input in your copy that I think you're already doing this. But for example, obviously, you don't want to Spintax subject lines if you are trying to test like different subject lines, obviously. But if you are trying to Spintax a subject line, which is pretty much the same, and there's not too much difference between the two, then it's totally okay. So what you're going to do right here after you save the changes and you go to final preview, just take a look at what you're seeing here. And now let's come here, right? So first of all, let's take a look at the subject line. Here we have thoughts, Simon. And here it says, hey, Simon, I can help you generate 20 sales calls with your ideal prospects within 90 days. Interested in hearing more? Best, right? Now, if we go to another email that we are going to send, it already says, what do you think, Oliver? So here it says, hi, instead of hey. And here I can help you book instead of generate, right? And it will be 20 instead of 20. Appointments with your ideal prospects within 3 months instead of 90 days. Interesting, learning more, and here it says regards. Here it will say hello, right? So the more Spintax you have, and I mean, if we just go and take a look, you can see that we are getting different variations all the time. But obviously your goal is to try to Spintax your copy as much as possible without really making it sound weird. Like that's the main thing. You don't want your copy to sound weird or unnatural when the prospect reads it. And one of the best ways to do it is obviously manually, but it might take you some time to do it. And if you want more of an automated process, you can use Spintax Baby. So for example, what we are going to do right here is we're going to write, let's say, hi, John, Hope you're well. Are you interested in hearing how we can help you grow your company? Please let me know and I'll send over more info. Okay, so we then click enter and it gives you the Spintax, right? So as you can see, let me just copy this and paste it right here. So this is what you're going to get. Like, hi, hey, hello, John. Hope you're well. I hope you're doing well. Hope everything's good with you. I trust you're doing great. And obviously, there will be some stuff that ChatGPT will give you that does not really sound that natural. So I would not really say, I trust you're doing great. I would remove this one. For example, hope everything's good with you. I mean, hope you're doing well. Okay. The rest are acceptable. Then we can see, are you interested in hearing? Would you like to hear? Do you want to know? Would you be open to discussing? I would say all of them are okay. How we can help, how we can help you grow, assist in growing, support the growth of your company business. Please let me know, just let me know. And I'll send over more info. I'll send over the details and provide more information. I'll show the details, right? So in this case, it's pretty much good. Like there's nothing that would sound a bit too unnatural when we will start sending the emails. But always, if you decide to use Spintax Baby, and I will include the link to this GPT variation and the description, you can check it out. But if you decide to go with Spintax Baby, just to make sure that you always double check the output is going to give you, because otherwise you might end up sending some emails which look pretty much robotic or are grammatically incorrect. So yeah, just always double check it. But yeah, overall, like this is how Spintax works. It's pretty simple and it's very, very important nowadays, especially when deliverability is a huge problem when it comes to cold email. So make sure to Spintax your copy pretty aggressively. If you see an opportunity where you can Spintax a specific word or specific sentence, always do so, right? And I can guarantee that will help you stay under the radar, not trigger any spam filters, and improve your overall email deliverability. So that's everything I wanted to say in this video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and take care.